what happens when you rinse your hair with cold water. So cold water has been becoming a phenomenon for quite some time now with people, jumping into, the cold showers and, jumping in these ice baths and basically and it has a lot of benefits. A lot of people say that cold water is really good for you, and it does a lot. But when it comes to your hair, here's what I've learned and my experience. So early on in my career, people always used to say, if you want to lock in and seal the cuticle layer of the hair and make it a little smoother and shinier, you can use the cold air button on the blow dryer, and it helps really kind of seal it and smooth it. And it does. I've noticed that it does do that. However, if you're looking for a lot of volume, and then cold air, in my opinion, is not really going to work too well. But if you want to have smoother hair and make it, a little flatter, closer to your head because you have really, really thick hair and you want to kind of condense the shape, then a cold air could help while you're styling it. But when it comes to rinsing your hair with cold water, yes, I think it does add some benefits to it. It's a great way to rinse your hair. Like if you're looking to wash your hair or get product out of your hair, the cold water actually helps remove product from the hair I think sometimes a little better than just washing it with warm water. All right, the cold water just seals in and attaches itself to the hair strand, the cuticle layer, and it just helps remove a lot of that. All right, so now it also is good for adding a little bit of shine to your hair as well. Now, I'm not talking freezing ice cold, but the word has always been a cool rinse. I've never had anyone tell me do a cold rinse or, freezing ice cold water on someone's head because they can't even stand it, right? I've washed so many heads in the past where the water is a little too hot or the blow dryer is too hot and it gets too close to their scalp and, whoa, they freak out and it's not the most comforting feeling. So a cool rinse, meaning, yes, it's on the cold-ish side, but not to the point where it's like freezing, could be somewhat beneficial to your hair. And also, when it comes to you conditioning your hair, if you leave in like a conditioner or a deep treatment on your hair for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you use boiling hot scalding water, that's actually going to strip all of that away and wash it right down the drain. So cool water is a bit more beneficial when it comes to rinsing your hair the conditioner out of your head. And once again, if you're looking to, not shampoo your hair and you're trying to get product out of your hair, try doing a cool rinse. You might notice that it could probably take that product out a little bit better. So if you're somebody who uses, a cool rinse or is looking forward to trying it, leave some comments below or a comment so we can all listen and watch and see what you're saying, and let's hear if it's worked for you. It's kind of one of those hair myths, but as a real professional for over 30 years, I have done my share of cool rinses and even using cool air in the blow dryer as well. But this video is more targeted towards a cool rinse, okay? So also, some really, really, really exciting news. I have a brand new comb. This is a carbon wide tooth comb, right? So it's pretty big size here, right? So it's probably the length of a hair cutting comb, but it's much bigger than a hair cutting comb. And it's carbon, so this thing is solid, all right? So here's the thing. Watch this. Watch what this is good for. And it's only, I think it's like $8 or something like that, or $9. I forget what it is, but it's not that expensive. So let's just take this mannequin right here, right? So say you have, layered hair or longer hair and your hair is wet. This is a great way with combination of 25 spray to comb through the hair very, very lightly. I also, my vent brush, my anti-static vent brush is great for detangling longer hair, which is my go-to. However, what else is this great for? This is great for, and the vent brush doesn't do this, but wide tooth combs have always been an amazing styling tool that I've used over the last 30 years. Early on in my career, I always used a wide tooth comb. So watch what this does. You see how some people are like, oh, I can't get my hair to feather? Well, if you take this and you literally comb back and you can rake with the hands, look at the feathering that creates. So you can see it's literally, the wide teeth are creating, look how nice that is, just from this, all right? So these are now available on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. They're available for purchase. They just came in. I invested in a lot of these things. I know they're gonna sell. And this is, again, this is a tool. I don't launch anything unless I use it, I believe in it. And when I first tested this, I said, man, this is phenomenal. This is a phenomenal comb. So I'm really excited to now be offering this on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. And if you use code YouTube20, you get like 20% off of this. So it's kind of actually a pretty good deal. So they're available now. And I'm also, this is a little bit of a top secret thing. I'm going to be coming out with Locked. So, all right, here's a story with Locked, and I'll do a whole video on it once it's ready. But for those of you who use my Locked hairspray, there was the original, which is the one I have now, like the kind of powdery, consistent, like a dry shampoo type of spray. Everybody loved it. I felt that it wasn't strong enough for the hold, but a lot of people just loved it. So that's my current version of Locked. So I got some feedback from, oh, I wish, you had the one with the stronger hold again, blah, blah. So I talked to the manufacturer and I'm launching Locked XL. So Locked XL is going to be the previous version of the Locked hairspray that I had, which has the stronger hold. So if that's the one you were using maybe like 7 months ago, 8 months ago, and you were like, oh, it gave great hold, I'm gonna be launching it. However, I'm only gonna be launching smaller, like 4-point-something ounce sizes, not the big long one, just a smaller size, just to kind of see how they sell. And also it's good for traveling as well. So it's a smaller jar, or a smaller can, and I think it's going to do well. So those are being made currently. They're not ready yet. And then I'm working on, oh, I don't know if I should even show this, but no, I'm not going to show it yet. I'm working on a hair product. I'm always testing products. I'm always trying to develop things and come up with new things and, always trying to expand and grow. And I am going to be launching a product probably in a couple of months, because right now I'm in the testing phase of it, and that went really well. This product is going to be like something you've never used before. I hate to even say this, but if I were to completely get rid of all of my styling products, I would just have this one, okay? Now, it doesn't do certain things that other products do. Like it's not like a wax, like a heavy wax or gel or anything. So certain other products fit in that category for what they're good for, but this product, I could say it does 3 things. That's all I'm gonna say. It's like an all-in-one styling product. And man, when this comes out, I am gonna be, from the packaging, the design of the packaging, the performance, all of it is gonna be incredible. So that's probably gonna be another 3 or 4 months, but just some updates. This is available as we speak right now. So as things come out and progress, I'll let them know. I'll let you all know when it's officially ready for sale. This is, but the other stuff is being worked on. But anyway, once again, use code YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.